Biology Chapter 4. Here we go. Weather is the day-to-day conditions, while climate is the average conditions of a specific landmass. With that out of the way, latitude is the imaginary lines that circle the Earth, and with that known, the furthest place the sun hits is named the polar zone due to its extremely cold climate. This means the hottest place is where the sun hits the most, known as the tropical zone for its high heat year-round. Finally, in between the polar and tropical zones, the temperate zone is where we have seasons: summer, fall, winter, and spring. The sun can enter the Earth's atmosphere and do many things, one of which being reflecting off the ocean, another being wasted as heat, and lastly turned into energy. The gases that can get caught in Earth are carbon dioxide, C2O, methane, and water vapor. Along with this, heat rises in our atmosphere, and as a result of this, ocean and wind currents take the place of the heat rising. This can be affected by the shape of the land. Mountains, flats, oceans, and many more are all good examples of the shape of the land in act. A habitat is just simply where something lives, and a niche is how something lives, using 3 points: find food, don't be food, and reproduce. The competitive exclusion principle is just that no two living things can go for the same food source at the same time. Now we'll move on to symbiosis. Mutualism is where both organisms benefit, while parasitism is where one benefits and the other one is harmed. And commensalism is where one benefits and the other one doesn't even care. And now we'll move on to biomes. The tropical rainforest is well known for its high heat, lots of rain, and tons of life. The tropical dry forest is known for its monsoons, or times where it rains for months and the rest of the year never again. The tropical grassland or savanna should be well known as the land of Lion King. The desert gets no water at all. Temperate grassland is typically used for farming land. The temperate forest is known for its amazing colors year-round. The Northwest coniferous forest is known for its massive trees, some of the biggest trees in the world. Well known for its absence of life. The tundra is the coldest place on planet Earth. The temperate woodland or shrubland is just the hills in California. Now we'll move on to aquatic ecosystems. An aquatic ecosystem can be defined in 4 factors: depth, temperature, flow, and nutrients. Another smaller factor is if it's photic, meaning a light can reach through the water, or aphotic, where light can't reach. A freshwater ecosystem can compose of many things. Rivers and streams rely on the flow, lakes and ponds rely on the size, wetlands rely on swamps, bogs, and marshes, and finally estuaries are where saltwater and freshwater meet in the middle of the ocean. Finally, we'll talk about marine ecosystems. A marine ecosystem has its own zones. The intertidal zone is the area where the waves crash. The coastal ocean is where it's shallow and photic. The open ocean is the beyond of the drop-off, the majority of the ocean, and the ocean floor is called the benthic zone.